is Devonna Williams, and today is the Tech Cafe tutorial video. Sorry about my voice, I do have a cold, so okay. So my topic is Nearpod. For my objective, teachers will learn how to use formative assessments in Nearpod. So, how to use formative assessment in Nearpod. Formative assessment 1, open-ended questions. Okay, so while you are in edit mode, you are going to click on add slide. And once you click on add slide, another screen is going to pop up that looks like this. Click on activities. And once you click on activities, you are going to click on open-ended questions. Okay. Once you click on open-ended questions, another screen is going to pop up that looks like this. And this is where you add in your question right there. You type your question right there. And as you can see, I have already typed my question, which is right here. And so after you have typed your question, you are going to click save right there. Okay, and it's going to take you back to the back to edit mode. Now you do have a choice if you want to preview it right here, or if you just want to save and submit. In this case, we are just going to save and save and exit. We're going to save and exit right here. So once you have saved and exit your work, it's going to take you back to the Nearpod library. Now you do have a choice to click on live participation or student pace. So in this case, we are going to click on live pace. Okay, and once you click on live pace, it's going to send you a link or a code. And you can copy this link into this code. You can send this out to your classmates. You either can do it in email, Google Classroom, Remind, or Microsoft Teams. And before you send out the code, sorry, make sure the switch is on. And the reason for that is to prevent students from skipping an activity. So they may say, I don't feel like doing this. I'm skipping this. If this switch is on, then they don't have no choice um but to finish the activity. And once you send the link out to the students, they're going to get it and they're going to type their name right there, their first and last name, and they are going to submit it. And once they submit it, the next screen is going to pop up that looks like this. It's going to say open-ended question. And this is where they answer this question right here. And they're going to write their answer in this box. And once they have written their answer, they are going to press save. There you go. And then another screen is going to pop up. I don't know if you can see it. It's just to let them know that they're finished. Okay, so formative assessment number 2 is draw it. Back at the edit mode, you're going to click on add slide. 2 categories is going to pop up. You're going to click on activities. Then you're going to click on draw it. Once that pop up, you are going to type in your instruction right here. And you also can upload an image if you want, and you're going to click save. And once again, it's going to take you back to the edit mode. Now, once again, it is up to you if you want to preview your work. In this case, we're going to save and exit. It is okay. It's going to take you back to Nearby Library, and we are going to do student pace. Like I said, you do have an option to do live participation or student pace. I'm just going to choose student pace for right now. And it's going to, once again, it's going to send you out a link code. And you're going to copy that code. Like I said, either an email, Google Classroom Remind, or Microsoft Teams. And once again, please make sure the switch is on to prevent students from skipping an activity. And as you can see, the switch isn't on, so students can skip the activity. And then the screen is going to pop up again. It's going to have them enter their first and last name, and they are going to press submit. And it's going to look like this. Here is the instructions for the students. So I say draw the planets, the 8 planets in the solar system. And so the student is going to draw the 8 planets. So if your topic was on solar system, you can have your students draw the 8 planets. This can assess their knowledge. And as you can see, I drew my planets. It's not all 8 of them, but it's 6. But this is what you can have students do, is to draw the planets. And once they have drew the planets, they can click save. And it's going to take them to the screen just to let them know that they're finished. Next one is quiz, formative assessment 3. Okay, you're back at the edit mode. You're going to click on add slide. Click on the quiz. Okay, and that screen is going to pop up. This is where you enter your question right there. And as you can see, I have written my question here. And this is where you type your answers. Now, if you want to, you can add an extra answer. You're going to click on this blue part that say add answer. Or you can click on add question to add another question. And as you can, I'm sorry, when you're done, you just press save. Apologize about that. And then it's going to take you back to the edit mode. Once again, like I said, you can preview your work if you want to, or you can just save and exit. In this case, we are going to save and exit because we believe our work is good. It's going to take you back again to Nearby Library. Once again, you can do student pace or you can do live participation. We're going to do student pace. And of course, they're going to get another link. And you're going to copy and email the link to your students in either Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams. Once again, please make sure the switch is on to prevent students from skipping an activity. It's going to take you back to this screen where students enter their name. They're going to press submit. And it's going to say quiz. And here's the question. And these are the answers. Students will have to click figure out the correct answer. And as you can see, the answer is D. Once they are done, they're going to press save. It's going to take them back to the screen just to let them know they're finished. Formative assessment for a Collaborate board. You are back at the edit mode. You're going to click on add slide. Okay, go to activities. Okay, click on Collaborate board. Okay, we're going to go ahead and preview it. Oh no, I'm sorry. We're going to click on Collaborate board, then we're going to preview it. Okay, so this is how it's going to look. And then you press save. I'm sorry. You click your, typing your question. I apologize. Type your question in, right? Where it say that, where it say is the sun considered a planet or a star? Why or why not? This is where you enter your question. I apologize. I didn't see that. And then you click save. And then once you click save, this screen is going to pop up. And you just hit save and exit. Okay, and you send a link out to your students, and it's going to say, this is a Collaborate board. You press yes. I do apologize with this one. We're not going to preview it, but you are going to click on this, click on Collaborate board. I apologize, and it's going to take you to the screen. And this is where you answer your, this is where you type your question in. Then you click save, and it's going to take you back to the edit screen. And you press save and exit. I apologize. And then this is where you send out your links to your students. And it's going to say this is a Collaborate board, and you press yes. Okay, this is in teacher mode. This is how it looks in teacher mode. And this is in student mode. The students are going to answer this question and type it here. Once they have typed their question, they're going to click post. And this is still in student mode. They are waiting for the teacher approval. And so in the teacher view, they're going to get a notification right here where this orange thing is. And it's going to show the student name and what they wrote. And for you to approve it, you're going to click on the green check mark. Okay, and in the student mode, this is how it's going to look for them. And then once they're done, they can just press exit. Formative assessment 5 matching pairs. Okay, click on add slide. Click on matching pairs, which is right here. Click on activities, then matching pairs. Okay, you click on matching pairs and hit save and exit. Okay, and it's going to take you back to it's going to take you to the screen. This is where you type your question. And this is where you can add a pair. And as you can see, I have added my question, but I have not added my pair yet. Okay, so you either can add an image over here or a text here, or it could be the other way around. And this is where you enter in what you want, like whatever picture you want. So I can do Neptune. As you can see, here's images of Neptune. And I'm going to click on this picture right here. And as you can see, here's my image. See? It's right there. Ooh, that looks horrible. And then I'm going to add text. Okay, and this is where I added my text. And once I have finished that, I'm going to, students can press done. You can press done, sorry. And this is how it looks. Now, if you want to, you can add another pair, a few more pairs if you want. And as you can see, I did add in 3 more pairs, so a total of 6. And once you finish, you press save. And you can add a timer as well. You can't see it, but you can add a timer. Okay, and it's going to take you back to edit mode. Like I said, you can preview it if you want. We are going to save and exit. Send out the links. This is in student mode. Saying start activity. But that's in student mode, waiting for students. Okay, this is still in teacher mode. I'm sorry, this is not student mode. This is teacher mode. I apologize. I don't know. Jesus. This is in teacher mode right here. And in student mode, they're going to enter their name once again. Press submit. And once the students, once they sign in, the timer is going to start. It's going to start. And this is how it will look in the next screen. They will have to match the image with the text. And on the teacher view, he or she can see who participated. Okay, forms of assessment 6, time to climb. You are in edit mode. Click on activities. Click on time to climb. Okay, you're going to click on time to climb. You're going to add in your question. It's going to automatically include the time in, so which is the time is right here. I know you can't really see it. I apologize, but and then you just go to add. Okay, and as you can see, I did enter my question in right here. And you scroll down. Once you have written your question, you scroll down. And then this screen is going to pop up. And this is where you enter the answers. Like I said, if you want to add another answer, you press the blue tab right here. And if you want to add another question, you add question. And as you can see, I believe I added another question on here. Yeah, I added another question, which is right there. And here is the second answers. Once I'm done, and once you are finished, you just press save. It's going to take you back to the edit mode. That's how it looks. You can preview it. In this case, we are going to preview it. See how it looks. And this is in teacher mode. Once the students once they sign in, this is how it's going to look. Okay. And this is how it still looks in student mode. I'm in teacher mode. Okay. Okay, once you have previewed, you're going to save and exit. Send out your links. Okay, this is in student mode. And this is how it looks. Okay, so the students can choose any character that they want for the game. And this is the question that you typed, and these are the answers. So students will have to answer this question right here. And if they get it right, they go up the hill. If they get it wrong, then they go down the hill. And as you can see behind me, I don't know if you can see it, it shows the student name. Okay, the last assessment is fill in the blank. Okay, you are in edit mode. Click on add slide. Click on fill in the blanks right here. Okay, and once you click on fill in the blanks, this screen is going to pop up here. It's going to be blank inside. Now you can click on any one of these or this, and it's going to define. It's going to be different as well. Okay, so once you click on that, you can find an article like in another tab. And once you found a good article, you are going to copy whatever you want. You can copy this, like a certain part of the article. You can copy that. Then you're going to paste it in here. So that's the first part. Here's the second part right here. Okay, and you're going to press done. Once you press done, you can choose like different words in the are in the text. And once you choose those words, it's going to pop up over here on the side to the left. Okay, and once you're done, it's going to hit save. You're going to hit save, and it's going to take you to this screen, back to the edit screen. Why am I doing that? I don't know why I'm doing that part. Okay, and if you don't want to, okay, if you want to preview it, you can. We're going to preview it, preview our work. And this is how it's going to look in student preview. What they're going to do, what the students have to do, they will have to drag the answer into the correct spot. So they're going to fill in the blank. Now, if the answer stays in the box, then that means they got it right. But if they drag the answer into the box and it bounced back, then that means they got it wrong. Okay, and then you click done. You send out your links. Once again, make sure the switch is on. Okay, this is still in teacher mode. This is still in teacher mode. They're going to sign in with their name, submit, and this is how the student, this is how it would look on their side. And in teacher mode, It's going to show who participated. And here are links and resources to help you use formative assessments in Nearpod. So here are like links and resources in right here. This is my QR codes. Okay. And we're done. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.